physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
Morning, guys. Morning. Today is a Sunday and it is the day after the baby shower. I'm still tired. I'm still recovering from yesterday. I am now at the mall. We are at the mall and we are here to get a TV. So we will start by Incredible Connection, Hi-Fi Club. We're also going to Macro, Game, or any other shop that may have the TV that we want at the price that we are hoping to get it for. So let us go in and look for a TV because our TV has been old and ifusile ilanduka at the back, so it's no longer working and it's giving us issues. So we need to change our TV. So we'll see if that one cannot be fixed, and then we can move it to the Eastern Cape and then keep the one that we will be buying today. So let us go. I will see you guys. Bye.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me.
We're now heading back to the car and we will be going home because I think that is all we came here to do, just to get the TV. See you guys.
For me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
So you may your dreams still come true. From your friends to you, happy birthday to you.
Wow.
What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract.
Bubu, say hi. Where are we going? Pool. Hey. Mama laban. Oh, it's sexy. Mama laban. Ah, mau put that down. Oh,
All my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get baby. In the meantime, it's in the meantime.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hi guys, morning. Good morning. My name is Zinaty, also known as Obonke Umfazi Wasemangocheni. Welcome back to our channel, and today I think we are starting a new vlog. If not, we are continuing with our previous vlogs. I just wanted to insert an introduction to a new vlog because I am thinking that this will be an opening of another one. So welcome guys, and thank you for coming back. And if you're new, please do not forget to subscribe, and welcome. We hope you enjoy our family. So today it is a Wednesday, and I am taking Bubu to school for the first time this year. It is her first time going back to school in a very long time. As most of you guys may know, that I have been staying with her at home. I decided to take her back to school for my own sanity and also for her development. So yeah, she really wanted to go back to school. She has been asking, Mama, when am I going back to school? When am I going to school? When am I going to school? And I thought maybe it's about time that we take her back. And this morning we are about to leave, and now the time is 20 to 8, and I just want to say hi, and I will be opening this vlog here today, and then we will see if we will vlog or take a snippet or a smallanyana video when I drop her off. So yeah, I will be dropping her off, and Dudedi will be picking her up because I have an assignment that is due at 9 p.m. tonight. So I just need to focus on like proofreading. I just need to do some proofreading, some editing there and there. I just need to go over it before I can submit. So that is what I'll be doing, and I just need to focus a bit. So yeah, that is it. See you guys. Let us go and drop off Bubu to school. I'm so excited because she is excited. I think I'm excited because she is excited. If she was busy crying, saying, Mama, I don't want to go to school, then because I have not seen Umdanam go to school in a long time, especially now that she's grown, because she used to go to school when she was still a bit younger. So she didn't understand much about being away from money. So I think this time around it will be different. But hey, I will give you guys some feedback when I come back. let me show you the dress that I'm wearing, because a number of people have been asking me for 4 pictures of the dresses that I have been wearing, So let me just show you what I'm wearing. So this is the dress that I'm wearing, guys. This is the dress that I'm wearing today. I use the strings that are inside to tuck it in if I feel like tucking it in. So I tuck it in just to get the waist, the shape, or to play around with the length. When I want it to be shorter, I tuck it in, especially on the sides, so that on the ground, especially for us short ladies. So I like to do that. I always prefer to tuck it in because of my height, not because I have a snatched waist for me to show it off, or to insinuate my figure. I have no figure, but I just use this tucking in option for the height of the dress, because it is quite long and it is quite flowy. So I just want to show you guys. So this is what I'm wearing. This is how it looks. This is it. And I just want to show you when it's not tucked in, how it looks when it's not tucked in. So nice. Let me take off my shoes. So this is it. This is the dress. Some commotion for the dress. And okay, guys, this is how the dress looks. It comes in different colors. And I will be carrying this bag. I enjoy using this bag a lot. And if you know me, or if you've seen me in most of my videos, I always have this bag because I enjoy how I can wear it casually. It's just a casual bag. It's just a bag that I normally use, especially when I'm going out shopping, when I'm going out wherever. I enjoy this bag a lot. It's nice and small, but it's very casual and still, so yeah, I'll just have this bag because I just want to put in my phone and my keys. So yeah, that's all I will be using it for. So this is it. This is me. But obviously, with me, the dress is tucked in. Because I do not want any issues with it's tucked in.
So see you later, ne? You're gonna make some friends.
Look at mommy.
Okay.
Zinaty, look at mommy.
Bye, Sissy.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So I am back from dropping Bubu off. I was not wearing this. I was just trying it on. I was not wearing this. I was just trying it on. So I am back from dropping Bubu off, and let me start with my day. I must now start with something to eat, make myself something to eat, and then I can start with my assignment, and then I can submit, even if it's in 3 hours time. I just need maybe an hour or two. Okay, for those who are interested in the dresses, I am selling the dresses. I will show you guys the other colors. I will wear the other colors for you, then you can see, and maybe you can order your dresses from Bubu. And I will be opening a page. Well, I have opened a page on Instagram. I'm not sure if I will be taking it to Facebook, because for most of my businesses that I have tried out, Facebook has not given me much support. I'm not sure if I'm wrong, but in terms of clients that really get to buy or order or hire, Facebook has not been that supportive. Yes, there are people who have supported me, who found me through Facebook, but it's not that much, especially the people that are my friends on Facebook. It's normally people outside. So I'm not sure if I will go that route of also posting on Facebook, but you guys can just comment and say your piece on that part. If you can advise me whether to use Facebook as a platform for selling as well, because I always find Instagram to be faster for me, for the past experiences when it comes to my businesses. So Ezi, they are currently available, readily available in this blue. I will also show you guys another color just now. So let me stop rambling and start with my day. Thank you guys. I will see you again. Let me not say when. I will just see you again. Cheers. Another color which I think a number of people might like is this brown. I think this brown really suits me because of my complexion, because I'm a bit darker. I'm on the darker side of things, and I really think it really suits my complexion, because I just wore it and I just felt a bit of, you know. This is another color. Okay, so let us take this one off. Tie it. That's all. Guys. Ooh, this is me, Mama Bubu. Please support your girl. Please support Mama Bubu. Incoming one, it's never enough. I am trying out this selling thing once again. I am going back because I never said I would never go back, but hey, here I am. It is almost winter, but I thought, since these are the type of dresses that I have been in love with this past summer, so I thought, okay, I can sell these before the season changes, and then we'll find another way. You'll find another business, and I will try something else. If a season comes, your winter, I'll find a way. I'll make a way, guys. I'll make a way. So please support your girl. Please support Mama Babu. Oh, yes, was saying no. Hi, Ma. Yes. Wojola. Yes, Wojola namanyoch. And babale, guys, because yes, Wojola namanyoch, guys. Oh, okay. I think we've come to the end of our fittings. I will now take these off and pack them away. So if you are interested, just let me know. DM me or send me an inbox on Facebook. And if you do have my number, you can also text me on WhatsApp. I will be using my business number that I have on my Zinaty Bumps page. So if you'd like to contact me, you can just DM me, or you can follow my page for ordering these dresses. And the name of the page is Bubu Wear. Bubu, our Bubu, and it is Bubu Wear. So for now, we are selling these dresses, and then later on I will let you guys know what we currently have. So for now, let us enjoy these comfortable dresses. Yeah, yes, they are popular, so you don't want to miss out. I will be bringing in a different style next time, but for now, this is what we have.
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen that way to me, I do the word I've seen that.
So let me get on with my schoolwork and stop with playing around Gcanga, because I only have a few hours before this assignment closes. So let me love and leave you. I will see you guys again, and thank you for watching my dress haul that was unplanned. But anyways, I decided let me do it now before I get busy. And also I have Bubu away with the school, so I do have a bit of time to do important things, because it is one of the most important things in my life right now, because I would like to get this off the ground very soon, and I'm hoping you guys will receive it well. And if you're interested, please do not hesitate. You can even say something on the comments and I will follow up, maybe text you somewhere, I'm not sure. And I will also leave the details on how to reach me, so that you don't take too long to get response if I am not on the comment section at the time or not answering the DMs. But yeah, I will give you guys some feedback. Anyways, let me stop, guys. Delete, let me run. I'll catch you some other time. Bye.